Hello active traders, I'm Ken Calhoun from TradeMastery.com, and I made over $2,300 yesterday, November 26th, Friday, when the market was crashing like this. This is the Spiders SPY chart, and it was a half-day session because of the holiday season, the day after Thanksgiving, and you can see it dropped all the way down here. Now I was trading what's known as inverse ETFs or ETNs, and those are things that go up when the market goes down. My favorite one that made me the most money was UVXY. Now it held several hundred shares overnight and it gapped up sharply many points first thing Friday morning. Now I sold virtually all of my shares during this pullback here pre-market, and then I re-entered and made even more money. So I locked in a really good profit on that, holding overnight for a big multi-point gap up. But what was even more exciting was I re-entered on the breakout on the way up, and I traded this thing all day long. Now, the neat thing about inverse ETFs, or bear ETFs, they go up when the market goes down. This is the volatility one, based on the VIX options, and you can see UVXY, like the VIX, spiked up sharply. And of course, it's kind of how to trade the VIX, the volatility, CBOE volatility index, with a tradable instrument. And there's also VXX. There used to be one called TVIX, which I traded frequently. But today my favorite one is UVXY. And you can see why. I mean, take a look at the chart. You can see it ran all the way from 18 to 22. Now I stopped trading it myself right here a few minutes before the close. I didn't get the tail end of the run, but I got most of the run all day long. This was relatively easy to trade. It had big multi-point range from 18 all the way up to 21, so it had at least 3 points of range, and that's a really ideal type of instrument to trade. It's very smart to trade things that have several points of range that are still relatively inexpensive. In this case, under 20 bucks a share in the morning. So range is important, and the directional volatility in terms of how far it can run and hopefully how much money it can make is also important. The other one that I traded a lot, very successfully, was SCO. Now this is a well-mannered 45-degree angle breakout, which is my favorite type, especially when it has a clean pattern like this. Now this particular chart is SCO, short crude oil, SCO ETF. And you can see it ran all the way 14.5 up to 16, nice 1.5 range. And that was easy to trade. I was trading this one. I was in and out of this thing all session long because the range and the trend was consistently making me money on the way up. So that's good. So that was a really good, exceptionally strong breakout. I was also trading these other guys like SQQQ. And mixed results with that one. Cold on the first breakout, and TZA. This is those are 2 or 3 of my favorites. UVXY is my favorite. TZA is my second favorite. That's this one, the Russell Small Cap Bear. When small caps get hammered and go down, TZA goes up. There's also one called SRTY, which you can look at. It's a bit cheaper, but TZA is my favorite because the range is good, from 27 up to 29 here. So a 2-point range in TZA was a good one to play. So that one, SCO and UVXY, all big gainers and running up sharply, as you can see, when the market was crashing and burning and chopping down and taking out new lows. So anyways, for more, do be sure to join me in my live room at www.trademastery.com/live. And I like to go over both day and swing trading picks for my members. Now, on highly volatile days, I will usually stay around most of the day for everybody. Our regular hours are around 8:30 till 11, maybe 8:30 to 10:30 in the morning. So I'm there at least the first hour and a half or two of the session, Monday through Friday, every single day. And on volatile days, I will frequently stick around later than that, as I did for everybody on Friday. I was there all day long for everyone. So these are the kind of things that we like to cover. Now, if you've been frustrated as a day trader trying to trade these really horrible under $10 low float pop and drop the charts that chat room operators that front run their members and all that cause all kinds of headaches and problems for, just say no to that approach and instead follow me. I've been doing this for over 20 years, since the late 90s, and I've got a lot of real money trading experience, millions and millions of dollars worth of stocks and ETFs. And I often do several dozen trades daily, and I tell my traders when I'm getting in ahead of time, when I'm getting out, and trade management tips. So join me at trademastery.com, and I'll see you in the live room sessions. We're now on Zoom, so I look forward to seeing you there. Anyway, take care and best wishes for success in your trading. Bye for now.